Okay, guys, look at that. Yes. We're going to start off with the ground turkey for this casserole. And as you know, ground turkey don't have any oils and stuff in it, so it's pretty dry. And we're going to add our seasoning now. I'm going to add, this is lemon pepper. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Minced garlic flakes, as many as you like. Black pepper, season it to your taste. Oregano, teaspoon oregano. Garlic powder, season that to your taste. And also seasoning salt. Season that to your taste. Okay, guys? And this is just to get our meat all seasoned up and cooked up in here. We're keeping this as close to healthy as we possibly can get. So we're also going to add vegetable flakes, as many as you like. I like a lot of vegetables. And also we're going to add our carrots, half a cup of carrots, our bell peppers, whatever color you want, and a small onion. And to that, we're going to add 6 ounces of tomato paste. One cup of water. Get this all mixed up in here, nicely combined. Guys, this smells good, looks good, and it ain't even done yet. And also we're going to add, last but not least, our cabbage. However much cabbage that you like. I put a small, half of a small cabbage in here. You can add more cabbage if you like, or less cabbage. It all depends on you. I'm going to get this combined up in here. And then we're going to let this cook down. Let this cabbage cook down. And we'll be back. Okay, guys, you see the cabbage have cooked down some. Tremendously. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to put the top on here. And set this to the side. And now we're going to do the second part of this. Now for the second part of this, I'm going to add my, I'm going to cook these noodles up. Alright guys, we're going to drain our noodles now. Alright guys, so let's get this casserole put together. So the stuffing that we made here with this ground turkey, and that was about a pound of ground turkey, guys. I think I forgot to tell you, but that ground turkey up in there and all those vegetables and cabbage and carrots. Now we're gonna put our noodles in there. There's noodle cabbage carrot. There's noodle cabbage casserole. I'm telling you guys, this is really good. Now I'm gonna put in here cream of celery. One full can of cream of celery, guys. Alright guys, we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. We're going to let that cream of celery marinate down in there. These noodles are going to finish cooking. We're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay guys, look at that. Yes. For those of you who like cheese, then hey, put a little cheese on there. For those of you who do not like cheese, then eat it just like this. So listen, this is my noodle cabbage casserole. Noodle cabbage casserole. Let me get my napkin first. Y'all know I gotta get my napkin. Alright guys. And it's healthy. We got turkey in here, cabbage, carrots. Man. Y'all, this recipe is really good and it is healthy. So listen, if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to AB's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.